Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, December 20th. We continue with the Knowings series, inspired by Mary Backlund's books. I'll remind you that Mary Backlund is our very own yoga student and teacher, and you may be able to get her books at some point. I'll share the link when she shares it with me, if they're available. Anyway, the reflection for today is when your light is on, life is easier and simpler. So let me read you from the book first, and then we'll do a little bit of meditation. What is it like when your light is on? You can walk on air. Your breathing is full and calm. You have patience at a red light. The nosy neighbor doesn't bother you. What does it feel like when your light is on? Remember the first time you fell in love? Remember the joy of getting the job you really wanted? Remember the satisfaction of cooking a great meal? Remember the contentment of completing an arduous task? How do you keep your light on? You find the blessings in each day, not just at night before bed, but throughout the day. You say thank you often. You take time for yourself every single day. You rediscover play, what makes your spirit sing. You let go of past expectations and rediscover yourself. And then you rest and let the goodness fill you up. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle, get still, arrive into the here and now. Maybe you want to close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light. And then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now repeat after me, silently or out loud. My light is on. I am breathing fully and peacefully. I am thankful for whatever it is you're thankful for. Thank you. Let's do it one more time. My light is on. I am breathing fully and peacefully. I am thankful for whatever it is. Fill in the blank. Thank you. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with simply breathing and simply being. Let your mantra for today be, my light is on. I am breathing fully and peacefully. I am thankful for whatever it is, fill in the blank. Thank you. Or if you simply just say thank you, it would be enough. So thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you tomorrow.